Oga dem, una welcome.
Hey my brother.
Thank you my guy. How you dey?
Fine sir. None of the traditional top 6 EPL clubs win game this weekend. Oga sorry, wetin you think say happen?
I for like talk say na Christmas break then go. But as Christmas never reach, me I no sabi wetin happen o. If it be say all of them agree to donate points to the less privileged clubs.
Oga Poche, you watch the Tottenham game?
As I no get work, wetin man go do?
How it takes the match?
E be like say Mourinho no sabi the difference between big club and small club. As Harrison score one goal for am, the guy go carry one heavy big boss back like say na Man City in dey play. Something wey him for try score more goals. As the ball spoil, him come dey find another goal. Last, e sweet me as dem drop points.
Oga sorry, Manchester United and Manchester City play draw.
I beg you, ask me better question, Joe. Leave that nonsense preseason match with them deform respect is reciprocal for page. If Tosa I pay money go watch that match, them must to refund me my money. If not, I for burn that stadium.
Okay, oh. What of Chelsea game?
Hey, this one better now. It sweets me as Chelsea lose that game. Chelsea fans know the great person here word again. And this small thing them go they shout title contender. Now so high BP almost one kill me the other day. Oh. I just the waka for low though. Now in one guy like that where they wear Chelsea jersey, where them rise the edge for back. Just come for my ear, shout, title contenders, title contenders. On one nylon, oh. I know hear word for 5 hours. Thank God I know deaf permanently.
Oga Poche, Arsenal lose to Bowling for Emirates Stadium for the first time in history. What do you think say they do Arsenal?
I no go lie you. Something they tell me say na spiritual problem. Ozil don't swear for them. And Arsenal fans been dey complain say Obama no dey score goal again. She be Arteta don carry the guy go do deliverance. Now him don finally score.
But na own goal.
My brother, leave that matter, Joe. Go na go. Now wetin dey happen if fans too pressure strike and make him score goal na?
What of that Liverpool Tottenham game? Who you think is na favourites to win that match?
Liverpool go flog them na.
If you talk that thing again, ba, na flog I go flog you come out for here.
Which one come with this one now?
You carry your blame do trade by butter. Which kind nonsense talk they come out from your mouth like this?
See, sorry. This your insult done too much, oh. Respect yourself.
Now you suppose to respect yourself. How responsible guy like you go to talk like this? You know say Ojota go injure.
Now only Ojota did ya.
Oga come out for here, Joe. That remaining way play Fulham. No be one careless speaker then take equalize. You sabi anything at all? I been a back of TV they watch.
Thunder massage your mouth, yeah. Idiot.